Hello, everybody. This is Kostas, and to this short video, I'm gonna show you how I use Affiliate Pal app and how easy it is to use it and upload any opportunity and any offer or even your product, digital product, in fact, because that's how it works, that you want to the marketplace. You just start uh, a subscription. It's extremely cheap. Let me show you right here. If we go down to the join affiliate pal, you're gonna see all the details here, and you're gonna find out that it's extremely cheap and you get a lot of traffic to your offer and to your product. Okay. It's your offer is going to be advertised to all those exchange traffic platforms, and at the same time, you can create any reviews or any articles easily using the affiliate pal. So I'm gonna go back right away and showcase how easy it is to add one opportunity. You just open the platform, you just click add opportunity. Here I was about to create the GPT store builder, and here this is something that it's really amazing, and I could sorry, I could ask it to make money online or to affiliate marketing. This is a platform from JVZoo, and I'm gonna just grab my link and just add it over here. Okay, that's my link, and I can add my TAF ID that it's for tracking. You see from over here, I just have ready all the TAF IDs that you can use. And over here, I'm gonna use Affiliate Pal. And you move on and you say that if you want Affiliate Pal to create automatically using AI, in fact, to create the description and the long description and the short description. So here it's going to ask you the main product link. Let me show you here. I'm going to just paste the link over here, and just in minutes we're gonna just in seconds we're gonna have the short description and the long description ready for us. That was all. You don't have to do anything else. If you have a video, you can just add it over here. If you have your banners ready, you can add it over here. You can even add the banners later. But in fact, that was all. You can even create an internal note about this opportunity, or you can add the affiliate platform management link just to have it. Let me show you. I'm gonna just grab the link of my management link, and I'm done. Uh, that was all. I just click submit, and the opportunity is straight to the marketplace. Um, Trust me, that's a really valuable platform. It has a lot of views daily. You're gonna see to the marketplace over here. If you're gonna visit the marketplace to the main page of Affiliate Pal, because there are a lot of articles, there are a lot of reviews over here. You can explore a lot of products. Here is the marketplace, and you're gonna see that we got a lot of opportunities. If I click, let's say, to let's go to one of those. Let's try the AI Profit C phone here. I'm gonna click View Details, and as you're gonna see, to the main product and to the single view of the opportunity, I have the ability to check even the statistics and the views this opportunity had. If somebody clicks over here, is gonna be able to explore and find more about this particular opportunity. Okay, I can click here and I go straight to the landing page of this amazing opportunity. Um, it's really, really very interesting, and trust me, it's a platform that you're gonna love to use it because it's so simple and so straight to use it, and you can even contact support and you're gonna get an answer for any question that you might have. Over here, you're gonna see the articles and the reviews. I'm gonna show you right away that there are a lot of articles and there are a lot of reviews about great opportunities, and you can easily create this kind of opportunities, and you can create even the content that you see here, my content. You can easily create articles and just or reviews and just post them to Affiliate Pal. You just have to add an image, and if you already have let's say a video, it's gonna show straight over there. You see, you just select your opportunity. Here are all of the opportunities that I have added. If you connect, you're gonna see your own opportunities over here. You just select an image, and then you can even after you select the image, you're gonna be asked if you want a review or something else. You see, if I select, let's say, this one, I'm gonna be able to have automatically my affiliate link here retrieved, and then I'm gonna be able to select if I want an AI created or a manually added content, and it's so easy to use everything over here, and trust me, you earn the most valuable thing in this planet and in this world, that is time. Okay, you earn time, and you save a lot of time, tons of time, and you just create your offers, you just create your content, and you can pass it, you can paste it anywhere, or you can just use the server links that you see over here near to each one of those opportunities, and just serve it to all the main platforms. Okay. So, thank you very much for watching this video, and you're gonna find the link of Affiliate Pal to find more in the comments and down to my description. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I will see you to the next one. Bye bye.